been wondering this question, can the Kuzney 6-tier wood and steel shelf actually hold the advertised weight of 300 plus pounds? Now today we'll demonstrate whether or not we can do this with a few buckets of weights. As you can see, each set of rotors has 4 rotors in a milk crate, and each of these milk crates is over 100 pounds of weight. So yes, to answer your questions, indeed the Kuzney shelf can support a total weight of 300 pounds or more. Thank you.